balut. Pilay mo balut.
Ha?
Pilay mo balut.
20, ma'am.
Oh. Hindi, matry kita balot. Bidyon ta, makaon ta balot. Buksan mo ha, pero ikaw kaon ha. Oh, mainit, so hot. This is a balut. Balut is a fertilized developing egg embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. It is commonly sold as a street food in South China and Southeast Asian countries, notably the Philippines, Cambodia, and the Vietnam. The term comes from the Filipino language, balut. Balut is only 20 pesos. Balut is recognized as a national food of the Philippines, but possibly originated from China. It is said that an early form of balut was brought by Chinese traders and migrants to the Philippines. The Chinese may have sparked the interest and excitement for the Philippines. Yummy balut! I love balut! Challenge for the foreigner to eat balut. Balut is a chicken or duck egg, which is half-boiled and then eaten directly from the shell. It is commonly sold as a street food in the Philippines. You can often see it being sold in the street across the country. Balut was introduced to the Philippines by Chinese in 1565 or around 1885. Balut being a high source of protein and many other essential nutrients. But one thing that is also high when it comes to balut is cholesterol. The yolk of one fertilized duck egg alone holds around 359 milligrams of cholesterol.